In this video, you'll learn how to buy Ape Coin on Binance. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to successfully complete your purchase of Ape Coin using the Binance platform. Start by ensuring that your Binance account is funded. You can deposit either fiat currency or cryptocurrency into your spot wallet. To do this, navigate to the wallet section by clicking on Wallet at the top right corner of the homepage. From there, select Fiat and Spot to view your balances. Make sure that the amount you deposited is displayed correctly, as you will need sufficient funds for trading. Next, you will want to access the spot trading feature. To do this, locate the trade option in the main menu and click on it. A drop-down will appear. Select Spot from this list. Once you are on the spot trading page, you will see a search bar. Type in the trading pair for Ape Coin, which is Ape/USDC, and select it. This action will open the trading interface where you can see the current price and charts for Ape Coin. Now it's time to place your buy order. In the trading interface, look for the buy option. You will need to select the type of order you wish to place, which can include market or limit orders. Enter the amount of Ape Coin you want to purchase in the designated field. After confirming the details of your order, click on the buy button to execute the transaction. Ensure you review the order confirmation that appears to make sure everything is correct. After placing your raw order, it is important to check your spot wallet balance. Go back to the wallet section and select Fiat and Spot again. Here, you should see an updated balance that reflects your recent purchase of Ape Coin. If your order was successful, the amount of Ape Coin purchased will be added to your balance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.